Hey, good morning. Day one of our Smokey Mountain trip, and we've got to the point where pavement ends, so we're going to air down the tundra right now. Here, first photo op. We got on a little divert here. We got this old power truck right here in the middle of nowhere. There's a running stream right here. Little old cabin over here. Something from the bend for a while. Picnic tables and stuff. Lloyd's Mountain, like it says on the fire truck. I already have the tundra locked in. We'll drive some kind of downhill in here. We're up by Lake Conestoga, I think it's Conestoga, something like that. Not going to the recreation area, but heading on our track. But you see we're up in the clouds right now. We have been for a while. Can't hardly see anything. We've been passing a few other vehicles going the other way. So we're headed across the mountain right now. And the road's pretty good shape. It's a little bumpy, but Tundra's taking it well. I've been using my shifter to kind of control our descent speed. And some of these are down pretty steep. And I'm in four-wheel drive, so I have engine braking on all four tires. Not that I need four-wheel drive, but to get up any of this. But it sure gives you all four tires in engine braking. So it's got kind of windy up in here too. Your visibility is about maybe 75 feet. So we're up in elevation too, over 3,000 feet. Check back. camp night 1 of this overlanding adventure. We went about 70 miles off pavement today, and the tundra's looking a little dirty. We didn't have any issues except for getting around all those down limbs and trees from the big storm they just had over, I guess, on Thursday. We talked to the forestry guy that was trying to clear the roads. So yeah, some water crossings. It was slickery, and I did keep it in 4 high most of the time just because it was slick. It helped me with the downhill engine braking. But Tundra TRD off-road did a phenomenal job, and I found the faster we went, the better. It just soaked up all the bumps, but it's pretty muddy right now. So what we're doing here, we're at Thunder Rock Campground right on the Coe River, and we have a riverfront campsite. One of the things I want to tell you, try to time your first legs to where your first night's either on a Sunday night, which is tonight, it's just Halloween, and because everybody's checked out. These campsites are all reserved on weekends, so unless you reserve it way ahead of time, you're never going to get this on a weekend. So again, we're here Sunday night. We're staying here one night, and then we're heading on out, going further up the mountains. Haven't quite decided. We did take the alternate route for our leg 1 that we posted up on Facebook to come here. Actually, the maps didn't tell us that we could cross over and get right on the highway, which you can probably hear is right on the other side of the river. I thought we would have to backtrack out of here, and we might do that still. But this is a completely improved campground, and we're probably not gonna, this is probably the last improved campground we'll be at, other than Cades Cove, which is either tomorrow night or night after. So we've already scored some firewood, even though it's green. It's a small choice to pick around a campground like this. It was downed already from the storm. Big pine tree fell on it, broke it over. It's an oak, but it's green. So I'm gonna try to get some charcoal started, if we can dig everything out of the truck, and get the campfire going at least, because temperature is dropping. With our truck awning, and we got it set up in what we call extra wide mode, where we went all the way to the and this is the Roadhouse tarp. We went all the way to the corners to make it extra wide back here, and you know, we got our river scene out the back here. Wish we weren't right next to the highway over there, but hey, you get what you get when you're out here, right? So Mrs. Backwoods has the nest set up in there pretty well, and we're going to get lights out to hook into the new Bluetti power bank, which I have charging the phone, or did have charging the phone over here. So we use that to power up our inflator for air mattress right there. We got AC power. We can run a coffee maker off that. I'm gonna show you guys that over on probably Backwoods Gourmet channel. But this is how we set up our overlanding deal. Got our table set up in here. We'll get our chairs under. Right now, we'll get ready to cook.